What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. I am at Cargo Trailer Sales picking up my trailer. We had some work done on it already, but just add on. We got 2 roof vents put in. It's right there. I don't know how well you can see it, but we just have to get them to pull it out. I'll show you guys the inside once it gets pulled out, so you can see how nice it is. The vents actually have fans in them as well, so it'll really keep the air moving.
How close are we on that side? Nah, not that close.
Oh, my dad has a key.
I got a key with me. I have a key with me. Those locks aren't key. I don't have that one.
Right.
I don't have a key for that one.
Yep.
Let's chop the wheels, get a block underneath there for you if you need.
Okay.
How funny is that? He pulled down the street of all places. Yeah, he got it. He bought it here, so you put some cargo sticker and all that. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
I think that's a win-win. I'm sure. His isn't looking to sit inside. But that's what Ray marriage, right? I gotta get one. Let's see you again.
Alright guys, let's check it out.
It's only on and off. Suck it up, yep.
How cool is that, guys? You press the switch, fan turns on. The little crank here closes and opens.
Don't do that with the fan on.
And then we also have a cover over it so we can drive with the vent open and it's not going to damage anything.
Oh, I can feel the air coming through there.
How cool is that, guys? That's pretty sweet. Cargo Trailers did a really nice job. Thank you, Cargo, if you watch this video. Thank you guys very much. I am very pleased with how everything turned out. So thank you very much. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.